For a single pergola build of any size, the first step is to build the top. First, lay out your brackets and lumber for the top, using cardboard underneath the brackets to prevent damage. Then, create the U shape. And then secure the brackets to the lumber with the provided screws. Next, create the I shape in the same way. Connect the I and the U shape, securing them with screws. Once the top is complete, and solo brackets have been placed and fastened on all of the vertical posts, lift one side and insert 2 vertical posts into the bottom of the trio brackets and secure with screws. Lift the other side and insert the remaining 2 vertical posts and secure with screws. To space the rafters properly, we recommend measuring at 1 foot or 12 inches on center. In this example, we'll be using 8-foot lumber for the frame, and with 1 foot spacing, that allows us to fit 7 rafters on this pergola. Remember, measuring the lumber before installation is straightforward, but once the lumber is inserted into the trio brackets, the end of the lumber is seated into the inside corner of the bracket, so be sure to measure it from here if your pergola frame is already assembled. The rafter spacing here is measured at 1 foot or 12 inches on center, so mark down each measurement on the frame lumber. Now, do the same on the other side. Next, place the brackets on the rafter lumber, 1 on each end. And place the rafters on the pergola, aligning each bracket with the markings made earlier. Fasten each bracket with a screw. And finally, fasten the rafters to the brackets with 2 screws on each end. Keep in mind, Toja Grid offers 3 types of rafter brackets to suit your needs. Apply caps and enjoy.